In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable maintenance mode in Hostinger. Welcome back and thanks for tuning in. If you find this helpful, remember to subscribe, like, and share so more people can follow along. We're going to keep this quick and clear so you can switch maintenance mode on and off in just a couple of minutes. Maintenance mode displays a friendly message to visitors while you perform updates, edits, or troubleshooting, so no half-finished pages or errors appear publicly. First, sign into your Hostinger dashboard. On the main screen, look for web hosting. Click it, then choose Manage on the hosting plan that contains the website you want to work on. If you have multiple sites, make sure you select the correct one before continuing. Next, open the WordPress section and click Overview. Here you'll see a simple control for maintenance mode. By default, it will show as deactivated. Go ahead and switch it on. The toggle will move to the active state, confirming it's enabled. That's all it takes. No extra plugins, no code, and no complicated settings. Hostinger handles the maintenance page for you behind the scenes. To confirm everything is working, open your website in a new tab and refresh the page. You should now see a maintenance notice letting visitors know the site is temporarily unavailable while you work. If you don't see the change right away, a quick browser refresh usually does the trick. This is especially handy during updates or when you're making significant changes. You can continue working in your dashboard in another tab while visitors see the temporary page. When you're finished and ready to bring the site back online, head back to the same maintenance mode control inside WordPress Overview and switch it off. Return to your website and refresh again. The maintenance message will disappear and your site will load normally for everyone. If the live site still shows the notice, wait a moment and refresh, as caching can briefly delay updates. And that's it. You've learned the fastest way to turn maintenance mode on and off in Hostinger directly from your dashboard, safely and without any plugins. If this walkthrough helped you, please subscribe, like the video, and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.